Okay, now me the answer I don't smoke.
What did they shout? Jordan, when people hear you, they shout. Now they will think I want better person. They shout.
Coconut, with my friend, but no boundaries. Oh. No boundaries. I tell you, no boundaries. Oh. Coconut. Abeg, wetin wan cause am? Look my spoon for my matters with this. Wetin wan cause am?
Cause wetin now?
Why you lick my spoon?
I don't understand. Now make they shout.
Coconut. I say wetin wan cause am now?
And then I make they shout. I don't understand you. Why you they shout, guy?
Guys, see, I know they like all those kind of things. Wetin wan cause am?
Wait. Why they because of spoon I made they hook me.
I don't like am. Wetin be the meaning of why? Like why? Like why? Like why? Like why would you hold my spoon? Why?
Why you they shout? See people they look you. Why you they shout?
When they look me now, wetin happen? I collect special food.
I better give me.
Guys, I say wetin wan cause am now?
Oga, sit down, drink something.
Drink what?
They embarrass me. I know they like that kind of thing. Why they?
Coconut. I want to ask you, wetin wan cause am? Wetin wan cause am? I dey ask you now, wetin wan cause am?
Guy, they embarrass me. I know they like that kind of thing.
I dey embarrass you.
What did they shout now?
Coconut, I say wetin wan cause am?
Boy, stop to this.
Guy, it's my party, oh, but you see.
You don't smoke.
Okay, now me dey ask I don't smoke.
Don't smoke. What did they shout?
Okay, now me dey ask I don't smoke.
What did they shout? Jordan, when people hear you, they shout. Now they will think I want better person. They shout.
Coconut, with my friend, but no boundaries, oh. No boundaries. I dey tell you, no boundaries, oh.
Guy, they shout. Sit down.
Coconut, on top my right again. Imagine, oh, they say I shout. Matt, sit down again. They shout on my door.
Ade, if you try that thing again, don't say they like mosquito. I go do you.
I swear to God, you don't see 1-0.
Ade.
Coconut, I swear, you don't see 1-0.
Ade. How many times I don't call you?
Eh?
See, the next time when you try this from, the next time we touch my head, I go.
Wait, you see them out, oh. What am I saying? I did use everything for this life.
I go carry this thing. Where you they carry me play. Something to worry because they laugh with you. One man carry this thing stone. Something to worry. But when you take time here.
Coconut, now my friend you be.
Take time.
Coconut, wait, say you know that my friend.
Come on.
Coconut, say you know that my friend you be. No boundaries, oh. My ATM do your hand, if you use them. My car do your hand, if you drive, go anywhere, no come back. But this one thing, not ever do am again. Coconut. I dey tell you, no ever do am again, oh. What country?
Guy, what be the things? And now this won't be the issue.
Guy, I don't tell you, say no do am again. I dey use everything play, but beans no do am.
Wait, now beans is the problem. Now beans make you the shot all this thing.
Bro, this beans play, oh.
Now this beans make you the shot.
I know they use beans play. Mama, it's not funny, oh. It's not funny.
They fuck up. Oh. Now beans make you the shot. All the beans with the chop, where they grow enter.
Coconut. I don't tell you, my ATM dey your hand.
I know say that beans are for don't chop.
Go withdraw any amount.
I go to say don't smoke. Now
my car key dey your hand, drive go anywhere.
Boy, come out.
My house documents dey your hand, sell am. But beans, no use beans play with me, oh.
Oga, sit down. I even to say them talk.
No use beans play with me, oh.
Now beans make you the shots. Why go stop to smoke you go? Now beans make you the shots, Abi.
In a day when I tell am now.
Sit down, Jare.
Say me no use beans, they play with me.
Man carry you keep.
Say me na day. No wahala. I don't tell you my own. I don't tell you.
Hey, I bring chicken and chips there. I dey cook it important. Now beans make you the shots.
Aba, even my papa no fit try am. Beans. Hey! Don't do am again,
You gotta say no sweetie for no even see am again.
You say?
I say for no see am again. I know they fear you. Don't finish for us. If I don't see him again.
No wahala.
Ade.
Mike.
Ade, if the boy you will leave this biz.
I'm not going to chop you again.
Ade, if the boy you will leave this biz, go come. Whether you see him.
Don't worry, don't worry. Enjoy. Do your day. Me no be like saying now because of beans. I keep person.
You don't finish for us.